They have also been linked to cancer prevention due to their high levels of antioxidants and phytochemicals. The liver is an extraordinary organ with an array of critical functions that are essential to our overall health. It acts as the body's primary detoxification center, metabolizes nutrients, produces vital proteins, and plays a key role in digestion. With such a significant role in maintaining our well-being, it's crucial to support liver health through a nutritious diet. By choosing foods that promote liver function and detoxification, you not only enhance this vital organ's efficiency, but also contribute to your overall health. Let's explore some of the best foods for liver health, describing their benefits and offering practical ways to include them in your diet. Before we begin, make sure to subscribe to become a Golden member and join us on the journey to achieving golden health. Number 1. Leafy greens. Leafy greens like spinach, kale, and Swiss chard are incredibly beneficial for liver health and overall well-being. These greens are rich in chlorophyll, which binds to toxins and heavy metals in the digestive tract, aiding their elimination from the body. This reduces the liver's burden of processing these substances. They are also packed with antioxidants, such as vitamin C and beta-carotene, which help neutralize free radicals and reduce oxidative stress, thereby protecting liver cells from damage. Moreover, the high fiber content in leafy greens supports digestion and promotes regular bowel movements, which helps in the efficient elimination of toxins. Leafy greens are also known for their role in supporting cardiovascular health by reducing blood pressure and improving cholesterol levels. The rich vitamin and mineral content, including folate, iron, and calcium, enhances bone health and boosts immune function. Incorporating these greens into your diet can also help improve skin health, enhance vision, and support metabolic health. Number 2. Beets. Beets are another excellent food for liver health, offering a range of general health benefits. They contain betaine and betalains, which support liver detoxification by stimulating liver function and promoting bile flow. Betaine has anti-inflammatory properties that help reduce inflammation in the liver and other organs, potentially alleviating conditions such as fatty liver disease. The antioxidants in beets help reduce oxidative damage and support liver cell regeneration, which is crucial for maintaining liver health. In addition to supporting liver function, beets are known for their ability to improve blood flow and lower blood pressure. They are rich in essential nutrients such as folate, manganese, and potassium, which contribute to cardiovascular health and support overall bodily functions. Beets also aid in digestion due to their high fiber content and are beneficial for maintaining healthy weight levels. Number 3. Garlic. Garlic is not only a flavorful addition to meals, but also provides significant health benefits. It contains allicin, a sulfur compound that enhances liver detoxification by activating liver enzymes responsible for removing toxins. Allicin has antimicrobial properties that help prevent infections and reduce the liver's workload in combating pathogens. Additionally, garlic can help regulate lipid levels in the blood, preventing the buildup of fatty deposits in the liver. Garlic's benefits extend beyond liver health. It boosts cardiovascular health by lowering blood pressure and reducing cholesterol levels. It also has anti-inflammatory properties that can help manage chronic conditions and improve overall health. Regular consumption of garlic is linked to enhanced immune function, improved digestion, and even potential cancer-fighting properties. Number 4. Turmeric. Turmeric, particularly its active compound curcumin, is a powerhouse for liver health and overall wellness. Curcumin has potent anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties that can reduce liver inflammation and protect against liver damage. It enhances the production of bile, which is essential for the digestion and elimination of fats and toxins from the liver. Additionally, curcumin supports liver regeneration and repair, making it a valuable food for maintaining liver function. Turmeric has also been shown to improve joint health, support brain function, and enhance the body's response to infections. Its anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties make it a worthwhile addition to a balanced diet. Turmeric can also aid in digestive health and may help regulate blood sugar levels, contributing to overall wellness. Number 5. Citrus fruits. Citrus fruits such as lemons, oranges, and grapefruits are packed with vitamin C, which supports the liver's production of glutathione, a powerful antioxidant that aids in detoxification. The acidic nature of citrus fruits helps stimulate bile production. enhancing the liver's ability to process and eliminate fats. Additionally, the antioxidants in citrus fruits reduce inflammation and protect liver cells from oxidative stress. In addition, citrus fruits offer a range of general health benefits. They boost the immune system, support skin health, and enhance the absorption of iron from plant-based foods. The high vitamin C content also plays a role in reducing the risk of chronic diseases and supporting cardiovascular health. Regular consumption of citrus fruits can improve overall vitality and well-being. Number 6. Avocados. Avocados are not only delicious but also offer various health benefits. They are rich in monounsaturated fats, which help reduce liver inflammation and support overall liver function. Avocados contain antioxidants, such as vitamin E, which protect the liver from oxidative damage and support its repair processes. The healthy fats in avocados also aid in the absorption of fat-soluble vitamins, A, D, E, and K, which are essential for liver health. Avocados are also known for their cardiovascular benefits. They help reduce bad cholesterol levels and improve blood vessel function. Avocados also support healthy skin, regulate blood sugar levels, and contribute to weight management. Their nutrient-rich profile makes them a valuable addition to any balanced diet. Number 7. Green tea. Green tea is renowned for its high levels of catechins, a type of antioxidant that helps improve liver function, reduce inflammation, and protect against liver damage. Drinking green tea regularly can enhance the liver's ability to detoxify and support overall digestive health. The catechins in green tea also aid in fat metabolism and may help in weight management. Moreover, green tea offers several other health benefits. It supports brain function, improves cognitive performance, and may reduce the risk of certain cancers. Green tea is also associated with improved cardiovascular health, lower blood pressure, and better metabolic function. Regular consumption of green tea can contribute to overall vitality and well-being. Number 8. Nuts and seeds. Nuts and seeds, including walnuts, flax seeds, and chia seeds, are excellent sources of essential fatty acids and antioxidants. Walnuts are particularly high in omega-3 fatty acids, which help reduce inflammation and support liver function. Flax seeds and chia seeds are also rich in omega-3s and fiber, promoting liver health. These nuts and seeds contain antioxidants that help protect the liver from oxidative damage. Additionally, nuts and seeds offer a range of general health benefits. They support heart health by improving cholesterol levels and reducing the risk of cardiovascular diseases. Nuts and seeds are also beneficial for maintaining healthy skin, improving digestive health, and supporting weight management. Their rich nutrient profile, including essential vitamins, minerals, and healthy fats, makes them a valuable addition to any diet. Number 9. Cruciferous vegetables. Cruciferous vegetables such as broccoli, Brussels sprouts, and cauliflower are rich in sulforaphane, a compound that enhances liver detoxification by increasing the production of detoxifying enzymes. These vegetables help reduce inflammation and oxidative stress, protecting liver cells from damage. The fiber in cruciferous vegetables promotes healthy digestion and supports the elimination of toxins from the body. On top of that, cruciferous vegetables offer a range of general health benefits. They have also been linked to cancer prevention due to their high levels of antioxidants and phytochemicals. These vegetables also support bone health, improve cardiovascular function, and contribute to overall wellness. They are a valuable part of a balanced diet and can help maintain overall health. Number 10. Water. Though not a food, water is crucial for maintaining liver health and overall wellness. Staying well hydrated ensures that your liver can efficiently process and eliminate toxins from your body. Proper hydration helps maintain the liver's ability to filter and expel toxins, supports healthy digestion, and aids in the regular elimination of waste. Furthermore, drinking adequate water supports kidney function, helps regulate body temperature, and promotes healthy skin. Proper hydration is essential for overall vitality and energy levels. It also aids in digestion and can help prevent issues such as constipation. Infusing your water with slices of lemon, cucumber, or fresh mint can enhance its flavor and provide additional health benefits. Incorporating these liver-friendly foods into your diet is a simple yet powerful way to support liver health and overall well-being. By making these nutrient-packed choices part of your meals, You're investing in a healthier, more vibrant you. Embrace these foods as part of a balanced diet and enjoy the benefits of a well-supported liver and enhanced vitality. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and check out this video to continue on the path to maximizing your health and wellness. See you next time.